Google may have just made the Pixel 11 lineup a lot more tempting than expected. With the official launch happening today, August 12th, the biggest surprise isn't necessarily the new phones themselves, it's the pre-order pricing. The Pixel 11 family is expected to include 4 models: the standard Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. And based on the latest reports, these phones could launch at higher prices than their predecessors. But there's a catch that could completely change the value equation. Google has reportedly started sending special pre-order offers to people who previously signed up for information about the Pixel 11. Most users appear to be receiving a $100 discount code that can be used on any upcoming Pixel 11 model. That could bring the expected $899 starting price of the regular Pixel 11 down to just $799. And that's already a pretty interesting deal, but some users reportedly got something even better. Reports shared online, including posts from users on Reddit, certain customers received a massive $250 discount. If that offer applies to the base Pixel 11, its expected $899 price could drop all the way to $649. That would actually put the Pixel 11 below the launch price of last year's Pixel 10. And there's another way to potentially save even more: trading in an existing phone. So, depending on the discount code and trade-in value, Google's newest Pixel could become significantly cheaper than its headline launch price suggests. However, there is an important limitation. The promotional code reportedly expires on August 27, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time. It can also reportedly be used through the Google Store or the My Pixel app. So this isn't necessarily a permanent price cut. It's a limited time incentive designed to get early buyers interested. The bigger question is whether the Pixel 11 is actually worth buying. So far, the upgrades appear to be more evolutionary than revolutionary. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to feature Google's new Tensor G6 processor, which could bring improvements to performance, efficiency, and AI features. The Pro models are also expected to introduce Google's new Pixel Glow design element, potentially giving the phones a more distinctive appearance. But beyond those changes, many of the upgrades are expected to be relatively incremental. And that's where the mixed reaction comes in. Some potential buyers believe the new processor and modem are enough to justify upgrading. Others aren't convinced, especially with concerns about pricing and battery life. At full price, those concerns could make the Pixel 11 harder to recommend. But at $100 or even $250 off, that's a completely different conversation. A $649 Pixel 11 would be particularly interesting if the final specifications and camera performance live up to expectations. Of course, not everyone who signed up for Google's offer has received a discount. Reports suggest the offers aren't identical for everyone, so getting the biggest $250 coupon may simply come down to eligibility or luck. The good news is that the official reveal is happening today. Google's Made by Google event is scheduled for August 12th at 3 p.m. Pacific Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Time, where the company is expected to officially reveal the Pixel 11 lineup and provide the details that matter most: pricing, specifications, availability, and launch offers. So, the Pixel 11 might not be the revolutionary upgrade some fans were hoping for, but if Google really is offering discounts of up to $250, the value proposition could suddenly become much stronger. Would a $250 discount be enough to make the Pixel 11 worth buying? Let us know in the comments. And if you want the latest updates on the Pixel 11, Samsung, Apple, and other upcoming smartphones, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.